Martyn from DevonKoi Pond, the savior as usual. So I have received them. I have ordered them from DevonKoi Pond, as you can see. I was using, in order to clean the EazyPod, because of the channels on the top, which I'm going to show you now. Didn't move a bit. Sorry about that. So when you clean the EazyPod, those channels here, when you put the tube, the central tube in here, the water here needs to go a little bit here, okay? And then it goes into this part. What I was using here when I'm boiling it, because I am running that standalone air pump, the media is boiling so much that all the media was coming out, and I cannot tell you how much media I have lost and replaced already, which is somewhere in there. So what I had been using until now was those piece of foam that I had cut, and every time I had to insert them into the just above the media for the media not to come out, but pain in the butt. So I had seen a few designs, but I didn't like them, and then eventually Martyn announced that he was making some and selling some, so I have bought some from him, and I want them pink, so he's made them in pink, and there you go. He has also provided those, the cable ties, which is really cool. So there you go. So I'm just going to install them. So this one I've already taken off the protection, and those I'm just going to peel them off and install them. And Martyn, you are just a savior. So see, every time I was cleaning the EazyPod, what I was doing over there was inserting my foams there and trying to block the media from coming out. But despite that, all there, it was always coming out, and I don't like it. Anyway, I wanted something fixed. It's fixed to the EazyPod, so I never have to remove it. So they're super easy to install. Just install the first one, okay? So you just, do you know what? I'm just going to do it, but I haven't got much room here to film. So what I've done is I just placed it, okay, where it should be. And then I just basically marked opposite the holes in there and in there. So there you go. And then I've just inserted the cable ties. And I'm gonna have to stop filming because I'm just with one hand. I'm just gonna try to hold the camera like that. Oops! As you saw, the mobile fell into the pod, and I was struggling to get it because my arm was too big to fit in it. So the mobile was stuck probably for a good 3-4 minutes in it, but it's fine. But I'm not doing that again. So if you want to see how you install the caps, go onto Martyn's channel, DevonKoi Pond, and you will see all there. He's filming how to install them. He's explaining how to buy them and how much they are. So they're all installed now. They look super cool, really like them. I'm just gonna clean the EazyPod. So I just insert the tube. I'll wait for the water to come here through the channels. once it's here, you can see that the media here is quite close to the top. Okay. Oh, they're really cool. Love them. And then I just install, just turn on the pump. And there you go. Job is done. No media coming out. They're so well designed. Absolutely love them. And I know that Martyn is not the only one who's made them, right? But I have never found one that I really like. So there you go. Absolutely love them. Thank you, Martyn. Absolutely perfect for me. And in pink. Love them. Thank you.